How to cast from your MacBook to your smart television. So this can be really useful if you want to go and share something from your Mac computer to your TV. So this could be something like Netflix, a YouTube video, or also Spotify as well. Now the first thing you need to do is go and load up a Google Chrome browser on your Mac computer. You can also do this directly in the application that you want to cast. So for example, if you're trying to cast Netflix or Spotify, you'll need to go and open up those specific apps. Now I'm just going to be demonstrating this on the website youtube.com. So once you're on a Google Chrome browser, you can click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. You can then press Cast, Save and Share, and then go and click on this Cast button. Now from here, you should be able to see your smart television. Now if you don't see it from the list, you need to make sure that your TV and your Mac computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if you come over to the settings on your TV, you can see that I'm connected to this network here, and I need to make sure that this is the same Wi-Fi network that I'm connected to on my Mac computer. Now as long as the Wi-Fi is exactly the same, you should just be able to go and select your TV from the list, and that's going to cast whatever's on your MacBook screen over to your smart television.